I have really big news. So I just found out that, I don't know when, but I found out that a bomb cyclone blizzard is coming to Pittsburgh. I'm not even joking. Yeah. 65 mph winds, and I'm not even joking. We're probably gonna actually have a blizzard in, like, I don't know from how long. Last time we had like a bad storm was like 2022 before Christmas. Our pipes almost froze in the basement. I don't know if that was a blizzard though. It just got really cold. But now look at this. We got snow. So yeah, apparently we got a bomb cyclone coming to Pittsburgh. It's cold in this room, kind of. Well, it's not even cold. It's 81 in here. But I'm kind of cold. I was really hot earlier. I had to crack the window when it was not snowing. But yeah, yeah, not much going on today, honestly. I just want to let you guys about the news. If you live in Pittsburgh, that there's a bomb cyclone coming, and I want you to be aware. Because I'm not even joking. I mean it. Like, dude. I feel like all the towns are like Pittsburgh, Detroit. What else? Boston, New York, Buffalo. I think that's it. And I think Erie's gonna get it. Michigan. I think maybe Erie will get hit by it. We actually have So yeah, if you're in Pittsburgh like I am, you guys need to, I'm sorry, but you guys probably should evacuate or stay at your house and mind your life. Which is probably what we're gonna do, is just stay here. But yeah, we have a bomb cyclone. I don't know if this is it right now. It's not really windy. I got like a notification about like a bomb cyclone 1 or 2 days ago. For the Great Lakes. I think it was like yesterday. Because I'm like, if it hits here, then we're cooked. We're toast. Our house would probably just freeze. Power would go out. Our house would drop to like -2 degrees or something. Well, I'm still in here. Hopefully it's not too bad and we can just get through it. So yeah, we're probably gonna end up with a cold house or something. Blizzards are dangerous also. So where you see like the black, like I was unboxing, I was unboxing my new cassette tape. You gotta take it out of the plastic. John Denver. So but yeah, I got a bomb cyclone. So yeah, I'm just warning you, be careful, stay safe out there. Because Pittsburgh weather is probably the worst weather in the whole freaking world. Weather just pops up out of nowhere. Yesterday was really windy today, so there's a lot of snow again. Snow. Can we ever get a day without snow anymore? Or at least this winter. Still, it was in the middle of the fall. We got this freaking snowstorm. It was 16 degrees outside. We got 3 to 5 inches of snow. Now it's winter. Like every couple days, we're always getting these heavy snowfalls. Like, some days it's really warm and it's 40 degrees or 60. Next day, it's always like this. Like, and it always ruins my plans. Like, oh my gosh. I'm tired. I didn't get sleep last night because it got hot in this room. In fact, the whole house was like freaking desert. Well, it was -2 degrees or something like that outside. I don't even know. But yeah, I'm just kind of cooped up in the house because it's freaking cold outside. I might go for a walk, but it's kind of chilly for that. Chilly. I meant cold. It's kind of cold. I meant it's kind of cold for that. So yeah, I'll give you a little update. I'll give you a little update when I find out when the stupid bomb cyclone's gonna hit. Unless I already did, because it was really windy and snowy yesterday. Especially at nighttime. It was freaking cold. I was outside in like a hoodie and a freaking coat. That's all. I wasn't even wearing any gloves, no hat, nothing like that. Just a hoodie and a coat. So yep, that's my video. So bye.